Welcome back to Rob's Builds.
Well, welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be doing a little update on what's happening. I haven't uploaded any videos recently because I've broken my leg really bad. Now, I'd like to thank my subscribers for watching my videos and since I've been away, so I really appreciate it. Now, Christmas is coming up soon, so we're going to have a lot of builds coming up soon to add to the channel. So in a few days, we're going to have a collection video going on. So I hope you stay tuned for that. Now, I just wanted to give you that little update. So keep building. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment or two, and I'll catch you later. Now, I haven't been
The blooper reel's coming back. Alright, try again.
Well, I haven't been updating any videos. Loading.
Uploading. Your brain's loading.
I haven't uploaded any videos recently because I've broken my leg really bad.